It's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with a very special guest.
Krista Joy Rivera. Hi, I'm from ohhellothere.com.
And her channel is also called Oh Hello There, and it is an awesome channel. She has power drills, power tools, saws, and all these really cool fun stuff. Even more tools than I do. And she's here to help me out today because I got this super sparkly chandelier for Christmas, and I didn't know how to put it up, and I didn't want to pay some old creepy man to put it up. So I posted, and I was like, wait, why do you even post on Facebook? I have a friend that can collab with me and show us how to do it, so we all know how to do it because she knows how to do everything. Her channel is insane. You guys have to subscribe and watch it. She's so creative. So I met her on set, like, what, 4 years ago almost now? It's been like a minute. So I met her on set, and we both still haven't filmed this video, but we were talking about doing a video on how to make our cat litter boxes like more furniture looking rather than just this ugly cat litter box. So that video is going to come soon because we're both now committed to actually making the video.
Yes. And I have all the tools now.
So let's get into this video. So I saved this. I haven't unboxed it. I brought it back from San Francisco because I went home to see my parents, and I got a bunch of gifts because they spoil me. They got me the
I'm just gonna
chandelier.
stay away from the
Me and
little...
scissors. They got me the chandelier I asked for. How'd they know? Because I gave them a link to it. They don't like guessing. They're just like, what do you want? Oh, I want it now. I want it now. And I got it. Ooh. Okay, so here we go. Chandelier instructions. That will be for you because I don't know what I'm doing. That's why you were here. This is very well packaged. Okay. Oh, it's more put together than I thought. So, okay. That's how it's packaged. And then I believe these are all the crystals.
This is a lot of instructions.
She's like, bye. Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty.
Of course, this is sparkly. Did you think I was going to do anything else but sparkly? Like, I think I might want to keep this saran wrap stuff on for right now so we don't scratch it while we're putting it up. It looks pretty good shape. Yay, Amazon. That's nice size too. I'll put all the dimensions and specs, and of course I will link it below. But this has the little bar brace that you were talking about that we might need to make another brace, but do you think this will be...
No. Just a little tip. Most of your lights, it can withstand weight for up to 10 pounds. If you are over 10 pounds, then you need to add a specific brace where you go in and it kind of goes out like this a little further in between the studs so that it can support more weight. So usually it's for ceiling fans or big heavy chandeliers, and it can hold up to 50 pounds. But since this is, I checked it, it was 7 pounds, it should hold and withstand the weight on the normal picture brace that's already on there.
Okay. Yay! I was like, I don't want this to fall on me when I'm sleeping. Okay, cool. So this is very nicely packaged, and it was, I feel like this was like $85 on Amazon. For this size of chandelier that's this fabulous and sparkly, I think this is a pretty darn good deal that we got. Yay!
Okay. So, another tip. Usually when you're changing lights out, you usually have like a red cord, a black cord, and then a ground cord, which is usually copper. This one's not. So
white and white.
They're all white and clear. So, but they labeled it to tell you which one's which, so that you know which one to attach to it.
Thank goodness. So if you do buy this, make sure it's a brand new package and you have the correct labeling on. I'm so happy because a lot of times you get stuff from Amazon, you're like, no instructions, this, that, the other, and I'm very happy that this has the labels for us. It is a little bit of a DIY because we have to put the crystals on, but that'll be my favorite part, and her part's gonna be like,
This part.
putting the stuff on.
Oh,
this is gonna be like an hour.
It's a lot.
And that's not, oh, I have 3 of these. Oh, wow. Do you want to start opening this?
Yeah.
That? Oh, these are just those. Look at that.
That's so pretty.
Woo! Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. So I don't know if I want to open all these up technically yet because those are gonna be like the bottoms. Yay, they're already like in the...
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, so that will hang down and we put them onto there.
Yeah.
So here we are at the breaker box.
So make sure that when you find this, that you turn the power off from the breaker. So your breakers are all numbered, and it should technically be labeled here. If not, then figure out which one goes to which, because you do not want to electrocute yourself. So this one, her room, is number 9. So we're going to switch that off. So another way to test is with a voltage tester. And so you use these on the wires, and this thing will light up and will tell you if there's electricity on it. If it doesn't, then your power's dead and you're good to go.
So if it doesn't light up, we're not going to get electrocuted. If it lights up, do not proceed.
Do not proceed.
So we turned off the light, and then I'm going to prep because we're going to obviously have to be on the bed to reach that because we're both really short. So I'm using my filming light, and then we are going to put something down to protect my bed sheets. So if any dust falls, it'll just go on that, and then I can move that and shake it out outside or wash that if I have to. But hopefully there's not too much dirt and gross stuff up there. So let's get started on making that pretty. So she's unscrewing all the little screws. Good thing it fell into there.
One of the reasons why you get one of these tools, this one's a wire stripper, but it also has a little tiny plier tip. Use that as leverage.
Oh. I'm gonna have to zoom in on your masterwork. Oh, double use tool. I like. And I will link all the tools she uses below, just in case you guys need to get any of this stuff.
Totally
You got a nut in the eye. She just got a nut in the eye.
Oh my. A lot of this stuff is usually just tied together with these little screw cap things. There you go.
I'm unattached.
So this was the original brace that's on there.
So that's what we have now. Nothing, she got it all down, and then that's the brace.
So in order to put this on there, I mean, I could technically screw these in this way, but that can see how that does not work because these holes are far too big. So what I'm going to do is unscrew this, slip this underneath, and then do the hole that way.
And go to the original holes that we had.
Yes.
Nice.
So then
okay.
this can hold all of that weight.
Awesome. Good game plan. Okay, so now we just have to take this off of this so you can reach that.
This is going to be facing the ceiling. So what we're doing with this,
Yeah, this was like, we just took it off of there. So that was on there.
yes. So we're going to do it this way.
Okay, so those are the original screws that we
Yes.
had before, and we're reusing the original screws to put it up.
Yes. So
you took one bolt out and then
yes. And now I'm going to
you're screwing it in.
screw it in.
So she slipped this piece that they gave us in underneath the existing piece now, and she's using the bolts that we already had previously in to do the job.
Also, another hot tip, when you have these Phillips screw heads, it's actually better to use a flathead because
you don't strip them.
Yes, you don't strip. So now these are tight and will hold the weight. Everything. Now it's just trying to do, or we're gonna input that. But I'm gonna make this a little this way so we can still reach the ground wire, which is right in here. Right there.
So the ground wire is attached to
Yes.
that thing inside there. Okay.
That copper wire.
That copper wire is the ground wire that is attached and grounded, attached and grounded under that bolt.
And then this is the hot or the live, and these are the neutrals.
So we have the earth wire that they've put little labels on, and then we have the live wire. That's the scary one. And then
the neutral.
And then the neutral. So this has very good packaging where it came with proper labeling, which is very good. A lot of products don't come with proper labeling.
No, they don't. See how these wires, only a little bit of it is exposed? If you want more, then these wire strippers really help, because then you can cut them. Let's see. This one looks like about an 18th. So you cut them and then you pull this, and so you can get more exposed, so you can really wrap it around.
Okay, so
the
where'd
wire.
it go? So it literally just pulled off the plastic part.
Yeah.
So it, yeah, awesome, cool.
So I'm going to thread this wire, and it's always good to just try and get as much of it wrapped around as you can. Insert that puppy inside. So this one, you always want to wrap it around clockwise, because when you screw this on clockwise to tighten, it makes it even tighter around. Because if you do it the other way, then you're just loosening it around anyways.
Nice.
So same with this.
Nice tips. The back looks like that, and then it's attached up there like that, and we're about to put it up. Dun dun dun! Oh, this is so pretty already. I'm already excited. There we go. Woo!
Okay. Okay, you can let go.
Now we're just putting the bolts on that are coming through. So now we got the 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts in over the screws. So we're putting in these clear ones just for now. I have the nice colored smart bulbs coming in the mail. I will show you that at the end of the video. Okay, she's about to do it. Yay! That looks so pretty, but as you can see, we need to clean off the shiny part before we put all the crystals on. So let's get to cleaning. Box number 1, we're gonna start with and put them all on. Pack number 2 for the middle. Number 3. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you liked it. I had so much fun. Thank you for helping me out. I would not be able to have this fabulous chandelier without you. Like, you're a lifesaver. I'm so glad she knows how to do electrical. So, was it super hard?
No, I think if you have the basic general knowledge of electrical, and even if you don't, just follow the colors. So usually what you would do is just follow red goes to red, black goes to black, white goes to white, copper goes to copper. Pretty simple.
Or ask the manufacturer. I'm sure they have some videos or whatever, but they gave you all those instructions, and then I feel like
I didn't use that.
Perfect. As my house burns down, okay.
No, I didn't. Right.
No, it looks good. I'm so excited about it. Like, it looks so pretty. My whole room feels so fabulous now.
I know. I love just staring underneath it and just watching the colors.
The prisms, the light prisms, the rainbow prisms going. To me, it didn't seem like that hard. So when I was like listening to her steps as she was telling you guys, like, I feel like it wasn't that hard, and I feel like you could do it. But two-people job. It's definitely a two-person job because someone has to hold it and then the other person has to screw in the screws, because if it was just one person, I feel like it'd be so, I don't know if you'd be able to do it with just one. So once again, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, boop that little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and subscribe, duh! Also, you have to go follow her channel and subscribe to her and leave her some awesome comments. Tell her I sent you.
Oh,
Yeah.
yay!
She's so awesome. She has some amazing videos, like I said before, and she does all this stuff usually by herself. She never has a helper, so I'm impressed with her, like, ingenuity.
Yeah,
I can't.
that.
Is it ingenuity? What is?
Sure.
What is the word?
I don't know.
Ingenuity, isn't that a word?
I hope you keep this all in, because this is fabulous.
I can't talk or spell. We'll just,
It's okay.
I just sparkle things. So stay tuned for more videos, and they are definitely coming. This year we both vow
We've made a promise to
We
our
did.
souls.
that we are going to get life together. I'm going to get off the couch and stop having anxiety attacks. I'm just going to make that happen. Sorry for being so MIA, but I definitely have a couple already filmed and ready to go. I just have to upload and get life together and actually do them. Much more content from both of us to come. Go check out her channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!